Hello guys, I'm showing you how to play an RB. Let's get started. I just play this for fun, and now I'm gonna teach you how to complete the this is only the guy who start playing Roblox, and I'll show you how do you play the RB. Let's get started. I'm just gonna type RB here. Here is RB. Then I'm gonna go into, so you can choose any kind of RB. I'm gonna choose this guy, this big bad boy here. Oh. Alright. Maybe open. Starting Roblox. Okay, so W is go forward, S is go back, so W is go, S is go back, and A is go here. A is turn left, and D is turn right, okay? And if you want to move the screen in the laptop, just click near the numlock key and the 0, you click here. That's where you go it. Now, I'll show you. Oh. Seems what happened. So I'm gonna full screen. This is how you play. So W, go forward, and to open the program, oh no. So you switch it, and here. So this is the guys, the tutorial how to play Roblox. So some guys don't know how to play Roblox, so this is my tutorial. Okay. It's pretty hard for you, okay? Okay. And if you guys want to play Speedrun Moon 4, it's a pretty good it's a pretty good game. See, just type in speed. You can play it. Run Moon 4. So again, first the move button is where the direction. W go forward, S go back. See, W go forward, A turn left, D turn right. So go. Go, 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 go. Alright. Here's start. Da 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 da. Dun 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 dun. See, move, run. Okay, so if you haven't familiarized like me, you can do it. I'm just showing you the tutorial. Oh shoot. Sometimes you die. Yeah, sometimes you die, guys.